Hey, this is Sasha B, and welcome to Traveling with Sasha B. Today, we are in beautiful Santa Fe, New Mexico, and standing here, surrounded by color, art, warm desert beauty, and these beautiful adobe walls, I'm reminded of something powerful. Sometimes God can take broken places and create beauty from them. For a long time, I looked at the broken parts of my life, and all I could see was what went wrong. The disappointments, the losses, the mistakes. The moments that did not turn out the way I hoped. The seasons where I felt like pieces of me were scattered everywhere. And if I'm being honest, there were times I wondered, how can anything beautiful come from this? But healing has a way of changing your vision. It teaches you to look again. It teaches you that broken does not mean finished. It teaches you that what fell apart may still be part of what God is rebuilding. And that is what Santa Fe is reminding me today. Beauty does not always come from perfect places. Sometimes beauty comes from the cracks, from the lessons, from the pieces you thought could never be used again. Sometimes the same thing that once made you feel ashamed becomes part of your testimony. Sometimes the pain you tried to hide becomes the very place where purpose starts growing. And baby, that is a different kind of healing. When you stop looking at your story like it ruined you, and you start seeing how God used it to shape you. When you stop seeing only the damage, and you start seeing the wisdom, the strength, the compassion, the clarity, the woman you became because you survived it. I used to think healing meant everything had to go back to the way it was, but now I understand. Healing does not always restore the old picture. Sometimes healing creates a new one, a stronger one, a wiser one, a more beautiful one. And maybe that is where you are right now. Maybe you are looking at pieces of your life, wondering if they can still become something meaningful. Maybe you are asking God, what do I do with this? What do I do with the hurt? What do I do with the memories? What do I do with the parts of me that still feel unfinished? And I want to encourage you today, do not throw away the pieces. God knows how to build with what you have left. He knows how to create beauty from what broke. He knows how to bring purpose from pain. He knows how to turn ashes into something that still carries life. So today, I'm not ashamed of the broken places anymore. I'm not hiding the parts of my story that made me who I am. I'm not pretending everything was easy, but I am choosing to believe that God can still make it beautiful. I'm creating beauty from broken places, and if He can do it for me, He can do it for you too. This is Sasha B, keeping it real as always.